Alright, so let's start by opening up this box. So I got this oximeter for 650 pesos from Watsons. You can get this from Shopee for a much lower price, around 300 pesos. So around half ng price na binayaran ko dito, pero I just wanted to get it right away and delivered to me on the same day. So I bought it from Watsons and pinadeliver na lang via Lalamove. Right? So this is the Partners brand. So pulse oximeter siya. And these are some of its qualities. Light and compact design, high accuracy, etc. So pause nyo na lang yan. And on this side, some other features ng ating product. So you can just pause it right away if you wanted to read it. Here's a picture of the product, of the oximeter itself. So as you can see, it's the model P117. Let's open up the box. Opening up the box, it will be greeted with the pulse oximeter itself. So as you can see, very lightweight, and ayan, naki-clip on lang siya. You will put your finger right there when you want to check for your oxygen in your blood. And you have two AAA batteries right here na included. Also, you have a strap para pwede natin siyang dalhin anywhere if you want to always check your oxygen levels in your blood. Some manuals right here, pero I think it's very easily understandable of how we can use this. Alright, so lagay natin yung battery. So it has two AAA batteries to operate. So very simple. I don't think malaki yung consumption nito sa mga batteries natin. Alright, so let's close this up and turn on na natin siya. Alright, napakadali lang gamitin itong oximeter na to. Just click on that to turn it on. And then ilagay mo yung finger mo up to that limit natin. And then magre-read na siya. So just wait for it. Ang maganda dito is kahit medyo mag-shake ka, medyo shaky yung kamay mo, magre-read pa rin siya ng maayos. So yung left natin is the oxygen levels in your blood. And yung 85 or yung nasa right natin is the pulse rate natin. So pretty normal for me kasi ang supposed to be yung ating oxygen levels is 95% and up. And then yung pulse rate ko nasa around ganyan talaga yung pulse rate ko. So 80 to 95. So alright, so that's how easy you can use this. Also, if you want to change the view, pindutin mo lang ito once kung gusto mo nakatayo, or other side, or downside, or gusto mo ibalik to normal, you can do that as well. And then if you hold this long enough, magkakaroon ka ng options dito. So meron tayong alarm, pulse beep, ayan, so other options as well. So you can customize it depending on how you want to use it. Pero exit muna tayo, so hold natin yung exit and then you will come back here. So that's how easy you can use this oximeter from Partners. Alright, so that was it for my unboxing and yung quick review and quick guide natin on how to use this oximeter from Partners. So very easy to use. You can get this from Watsons for 650 pesos or you can get it from Shopee for a much lower price. Meron din tayong ibang brands. So that was all for my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, just click on that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech stuff like this. And guys, I'll see you on the next one.